Congratulations! You've ordered the best bleeping sleep apnea product on the planet, the DreamPort Sleep Solution, only from Bleep. Please note your DreamPort Sleep Solution will arrive via US Mail, UPS, or FedEx and will be sent directly from your HME or DME, not Bleep LLC directly. Inside the box, you'll find a press and seal bag containing one DreamWay quick-release socket with universal connecting tube and a box of disposable DreamPorts. If you've ordered any additional items such as Bleep's DreamPreps or extra DreamPorts, they'll be included as well. So, are you ready to give the DreamPort Sleep Solution a try? Fantastic! It's time to put your DreamPort Sleep Solution into action. Begin by placing all your supplies on the counter. This should include your DreamPrep wipes or mild astringent, your DreamWay reusable connector, and disposable DreamPorts. Thoroughly clean around the top, sides, and under the nose just above the lip to remove any oil, makeup, or dirt from your skin and ensure a tight seal. We recommend DreamPrep wipes, but any mild astringent such as alcohol preps or witch hazel wipes can be used. Be sure the entire area is completely dry before moving on. Now you're ready to apply the DreamPorts. Start by peeling the backing off your first DreamPort. Then, using a mirror, tilt your head back and carefully line up and apply the DreamPort so that it becomes an extension of your nostril. Use your finger to seal the area where the DreamPort and nostril come together, ensuring a tight seal around the entire base of the DreamPort. Continue to apply the rest of the adhesive around your nose, avoiding any gaps or bubbles. Repeat the process for the second DreamPort, making sure the area where the two DreamPorts overlap has a tight seal. The DreamPorts should extend directly out and away from your nostrils. If you cannot pass air through your nostrils, you should reapply using a new DreamPort. Pro tip: do not try to reapply a pre-used DreamPort. To connect your DreamWay, simply press each quick-release socket or QR socket over each DreamPort. When fully connected, you should hear an audible click. All done here. Now it's time to head to the bedroom and get connected to your CPAP unit. To use your DreamPort Sleep Solution, simply connect the DreamTube and universal connector to any commercial CPAP hose as you would your existing mask solution. If you need to leave your bed during the night, disconnect at the universal connector or the QR sockets to free yourself from the CPAP device. In the morning, after a great night's sleep with Bleep, disconnect the DreamWay interface from the CPAP unit by separating the universal swivel connector from the CPAP hose tubing. Until you're comfortable with the DreamWay removal process, it's best to do the following in front of a mirror so it's easier to see. First, remove the DreamWay unit and supply tube by pinching the tabs located along the QR socket rim. Once the DreamWay unit is free, you can remove the DreamPorts by gently peeling back the edge of the tape from your skin and slowly pulling the adhesive strips free, much like you would a bandage. Once an edge is free from your skin, grip the adhesive and gradually peel down, using fingers from your free hand to hold the skin beside your nose in place. Be careful not to yank or rip the adhesive patches away from your skin. Always pull down so that the final process of removing the adhesive ends below the underside of the nose. You can recycle the plastic on your used DreamPorts and trash the adhesives. And that's it! We hope you enjoy your DreamPort Sleep Solution. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us at info@BleepSleep.com.